Finally, y'all. I thought this package was lost. It was not showing up. It is really delicious hair product from iHerb. If y'all have never ordered anything from iHerb before, they're pretty amazing. I found out about them a couple years ago, actually, when I was ordering supplements. But this was, I actually was reached out to by a company to start trying products. And the first product that they wanted to send was the Soapberry hair care set. So it's conditioner, and it is shampoo made with soapberry, and it's all natural. It has argan oil, and it's for all hair types. The scent is lavender. I'm so stoked to try it. So again, this is iHerb, and this is the Tree to Tub brand Soapberry hair care set. I'm always experimenting with my hair. I'm always using different things. Right now I'm using It's a 10, and it's working pretty well. Although, like, my curls are coming back big time from all the keratin I've done, which I've done to help maintain the growth and the breakage. But I'm definitely wanting to try something a little bit more natural based, because it's not natural. It's a 10. It's not all made. It's like no sulfates and stuff, but it's like not made with the earth ingredients, which I honestly would prefer. Look how cute. The way that they designed it. See? So this is what it looks like. Like I said, this is the cute company that it's made by. Soapberry for hair, nature shampoo from wild soapberries for all hair types. So we're going to try this on a couple heads, and then we will do review. But I definitely like to give it a couple different tries on. This is adorable. And this is the conditioner here. This is so cute. So it's all about the company, where it comes from. Soapberries. It's talking all about soapberries and how it's soothing and delicious for your body and your skin. And then it's just telling you how the soapberries work. Oh, this is a soapberry right here. This is adorable. Y'all know I love this. So this is actually a soapberry. It says to boil it for 10 minutes. Has a little thing inside. Cool the berry, take the black seed out, and roll the soft brown shell in your hands just like lathering a soap bar. Use the berry as face wash or hand soap, and it feels creamy, nourishing lather. Each is good for multiple times. What to do with the seed? Grow your own soapberry tree. I love it. And it just talks about how soapberries from the forest, when they would rub them on, because of all the harsh soaps and everything in Taiwan, these would cool the skin and calm the skin. This is so neat. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Thank you so much, iHerb, and thank you, Tree to Tub. I cannot wait to try this and see how it works on my hair type, but also a couple different other hair types, so I can show y'all how it works. Super stoked. Thing I love to do is do like live smelling tests. Smell. I'm just curious really like how soapberry smells, because the raw soapberry doesn't really smell. But this is lavender scented as well. Love the consistency. It's really clean and really clear. Oh my God, this is so perfect. Everything that I've been getting, bath salts, has been lavender. My body butter, it's just eclipse season, so lavender is really good for calming. Oh my God, it's so nice. Can't wait to show you guys. This is made in Taiwan. Botanical treasures, sustainably bringing them from tree to tub. So it really is like direct from nature. It has a balanced pH full of antioxidants, and it does not. Talks about how the soapberry itself, because it's like you get a little wash, a body wash with this, a couple times you get the wash, and it is the shell around it, and then the seed inside. I'm going to save that for when I have my land and I plant my first soapberry tree. I'm gonna make sure I have the right climate for it though. But yeah, so excited to try these. You all know that I love to have my purchases, my energy all aligned with Mother Earth, and especially supporting other climates and other cultures around the world. I'm very multicultural myself, so I really think it's important for us to be supporting those other cultures and the people that are doing the real work to bring us healthy things that create harmony with the world and the nature and creating a sustainable environment for things to thrive, like products. So good.